Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be another episode of a unboxing video, and this is what I got for next year. So I got the Happy Planner. I think this is the classic size. I had this ordered on Amazon. I also got some sticker book. This is the MomLife sticker book. And I got some of the accessories like bands for the Happy Planner. So if you can see my other video, I got the mini Happy Planner previously, which is this one. So I got this one for 2017, and if you find my video on the internet, I talk about how I regret getting this one. So this time I purchased an undated one, which is in this beautiful box kit. I think I paid like 200 dirhams for everything with the delivery and so on. So this is how it looks like inside. We got like 4 beautiful stickers, which is, let's remove them. These are foil calendar months, and then I got numbers to set the dates, numbers again, and some of the months again, and some of those beautiful stickers as well. So I got 4 included in the box. Let's remove this. This is the Happy Planner itself. We're gonna remove this too. So I got like 2 snap clips or magnetic clips. Yep, these are magnetic clips, and I like the colors green and pink. These are my favorite colors. And then I got some post-its, and then if we're gonna open this, so oops, let's just remove that one. So wow, this is really nice. So let's see how it looks inside. Let's gonna remove this. Okay, oops, yeah, so this Happy Planner belongs to blah blah blah. And then we got the, what is this? There's something inside, maybe from outside. That's a sticky, I think this is a sticky paper as well. Yeah, it is. Best things in life are the people you love, the places you've seen, and the memories made along the way. I think this is mostly almost the same as my mini Happy Planner. So this is the mini Happy Planner, and this is, I think, the classic. So if you're gonna see the difference, so if you guys have a mini Happy Planner, this is how it looks like. I mean, based on the difference. So I don't really like pink, so I purchased another pink. No, but this is really beautiful. It doesn't look the same as the one in the picture, or I've seen a couple of more videos before I purchased this. So this is an undated, so this, I think, the free, where is that? The free months, which was probably this one, would be on the side, and this is gonna be on here. It's really nice and colorful. I like the stickers. This is gonna be January. And then we got the full month view, and then I have the weekly view. The weekly view is in vertical. I like to have it on vertical rather than the horizontal. My mini Happy Planner is on horizontal view, and I feel having a vertical gives me more flexibility on how to use the planner, on how to put my notes in it. So I like the vertical one. So this is now February. It's beautiful colors. And then we got, where's the March? This is March. Put your heart into it. And then we got, okay, this is April. What is it, like rainy days or something? April. And then we got May, flowers. May, June, rise above the storm and you will find the sunshine. The other thing that I like Happy Planner is that they always have this inspirational quotes, which I really like. And then this should be July, August, look like this. And I think in this planner, because the rings are big, I could probably insert few more, you know, if I needed to, like, let's say a piece of paper. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, so this is November. Be bold and brave in your heart. I like the color. Really, really nice. And this is gonna be December. Life is pretty sweet. So this is the whole year. Ah, there are notes at the back, but anyway, it's only one page. One page. But I think I can insert more because the rings, as I've mentioned, are big. This is the back side. So that is the flip through of this best year ever planner. So probably I'm gonna put just another one, 2018, in here outside, but I'm not sure where I can find the 2018. Maybe I'm just gonna print it out. So this other, oops, accessory, let's open it up. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Which one looks better? Oops. Okay, so maybe I'll take the pink one. Yeah, the pink one looks nice in here. Or I can actually do gold one. Gold as well. Yeah. Ah, this is for the pen. That is cool. So I can put a pen on it. So this is how it is going to look like. So I'm actually thinking to put one in here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. It is huge, but it does fit, but it's a little bit, you know, like loose actually. So this means that this only fit in here. Cool. Okay, I think I've had everything done. So that is a flip through of the best year ever undated box kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe in our channel because we're gonna do a lot more videos in the near future. So we'll be happy to have you stick around and follow us there. And you have a good day. Bye.